We have here the brand new GR86. You ever wonder how you can make your audio sound better but easily? Well, we have the solution for you guys. Plug and play ENA 2S1 for this GR86, also compatible with the BRZ. It's all plug and play, and literally in about maximum 1 hour, you'll be able to get yourself a newly sounding sound system in your vehicle, and it's so easy to install, you'll wish that you have done it sooner. So let me go ahead, go inside the car and show you how it's done. All right, so let's get the ENA 2S1 installed. The first thing we're gonna do is grab one of these panel removal tools, get the plastic one because you do not wanna leave any scratches in your car. I'm gonna go over here to the side, I'm gonna pop it out. Just shove it over here, between, pop this piece out, like so. And open the glove box and grab a hold of this to the side. We're just gonna pull it out towards yourself, like so. All right. And once that is out, we'll remove that Phillips screw. Okay, and once the Phillips screw is removed, place your finger back here, just pull this out, straight out. You can also use your panel removal tool to assist. All right, and just to give you guys a heads up, the new amplifier will be mounted right here. This gives just enough space where you can mount it here. All right, and then the wires are long enough to reach your amplifier. It's a perfect place to mount it. And next, let's remove this panel here. So be very careful not to damage this when you're pulling this out. Okay, like right here, I'm going to bring it out and loop it like so. Okay, and let's remove this here. Just place your finger here. You can use your panel removal tool if you wish, or you could just pull it out like so. All right, and there's a connector behind here. Let's bring that out. Okay, this will expose the 4 10mm bolts. We got 1, we got 2, we got 3, and we got 4. All right, let's remove these. Okay. The Subarus are really tight. I don't know why they tighten it so much.
It's way too tight.
Oh, that was super tight. All right, guys, something to pay attention to. When you guys are reinstalling the radio, don't just put it on the tool and just jam it in. Most likely you're gonna cross thread it. Go in here, hand tighten it for probably about like 5 turns and then use it, because I'm not sure why, but a lot of these Subarus, and this car, yes, it is a Toyota, but it's made by Subaru. It's very notorious to strip your threads or to cross thread it. It happens all the time, so be very careful with that. All right, we got all the 10mm bolts out. Now let's lay a thick towel right under here. And we're gonna pull the radio out. And let's lay it right above here, all right? Now that we are behind the radio, let's go ahead and get our 2S1 connected. Here's our amplifier, and here is our harness. And the connectors that you will focus on will be the one all the way down here. We already disconnected it. It's a 10 and 6 pin connector all the way in the bottom towards the passenger side. And bringing back the harness, you'll notice that it also has the matching 10 and 6 pin connector. So let's connect them. And let's grab the male side. We're gonna connect it to the back of the radio. And that leaves us with these 2 connectors here that will connect to the amplifier. But before we connect this to the amplifier, let's route this cable to the back of the radio, and we're gonna loop it around here, where we will connect this. Connect these 2 connectors. Apply the 2 double-sided tapes that comes with the kit. I'm gonna squeeze it in right here. Fits in there perfectly. And before we do that, make sure you turn on the car and adjust the gain to your liking. The default's gonna be at 50%. In our opinion, 50% is the optimal. You can turn up the volume as loud as you can. You won't get distortion. If you turn it up too high, you will get distortion faster just because you're gonna start just overloading the speakers. But it all depends how loud you listen to your music and how loud you want. So go ahead and play around with that. And what I suggest is turn your music to your loudest listening level, and from there, go ahead and adjust the gain. And if you want to add any audio input to this, you definitely can. These are all only audio inputs. These are not audio outs. If you want audio outs to add subwoofer, then check out our ENA 3 series, because the 3 series offers that very easily seamless subwoofer install with the subwoofer outs. And once we have this mounted, tested, you're all good. All you have to do is reverse solder everything with it, and that will complete the installation. That is it, guys. Super easy. Everything goes back together very beautifully, and all done in just about an hour. All right, guys, as you guys can see, very easy to install. It's all plug and play, and it conveniently mounts right above your glove box. You will never know it was ever installed. At the same time, it makes a huge difference with how the car sounds from the factory. If you are ready to make your audio quality so much better, don't wait, give it a try. The product is available at beastsonicsusa.com and ready to be shipped to your doorsteps. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. We love to hear from you. If you haven't yet, help our channel, give us that thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. We'll see you guys on the next video.
Look, I don't take no losses, simple.